Ciao a tutti e benvenuti in questo nuovo video. So, if you're interested in Italian culture, you want to learn more about it, and you want to learn the language in a faster and funnier way, this is the channel for you. So keep on watching. So, let's start with the basics. The most important verbs. The most important verbs, as you may imagine, are to be and to have. These two are two irregular verbs. We start with difficult things, let's say, but you should know them to make basic sentences and because you will use them as auxiliary verbs, so verbs that help other verb to construct the tense. For example, past, future, etc. For now we will learn the present tense of to be and to have. First of all, let's look at the pronouns. I is io, you is tu, he/she is lui/lei, we is noi, you is voi, and they is loro. Okay, you need a bit of practice, but they are not very difficult. Now we will repeat them, don't worry. So, let's start. I am. Io sono. Io sono. You are. Tu sei. Tu sei. A little note, sei can mean also 6, but we will see it when we will learn numbers or to count. He, she, is, lui, lei, è. This is letter E with a little accent on top and is pronounced like an open e. We are, noi siamo. Noi siamo. You are, voi siete. They are. Loro sono. Did you remember sono? Yes, it is the same, like io sono and loro sono. First singular pronoun and last plural pronoun, they share the conjugation of the verb to be. So, io sono, loro sono. It's not that difficult, you should review it a bit and you will learn it fast. So, what can you say with the verb to be? Io sono Marta, I am Marta. Io sono italiana, I am Italian. Or, you can put another adjective. Io sono bellissima. I am beautiful. And so on and so on. Let's switch to the verb to have. To have. Avere. Avere. This is the infinitive form. Io ho. It is written with an H, but you should never pronounce it. Io ho, like a normal O, but O. O. Tu hai, the same. You shouldn't pronounce H. Lui, lei, ha. Noi abbiamo. Voi avete. Loro hanno. So you can notice some common features about the ending of the conjugation of the plural pronouns. Do you remember the verb to be, essere? Noi siamo, siamo. This mo you should remember because in the present tense is like always, I think, or almost this ending for this person. We, noi, siamo. So, noi abbiamo. Voi siete. Siete, T-I. And in this case of to have is avete, avete. So remember these endings. What can I say with the verb to have? Io ho un cane. I have a dog. Io ho 24 anni. I am 24. In this case, an important thing to remember is that to express, to say your age, you have to use to have and not to be like in English. So, io ho 24, like Io ho 24, io ho 24 anni, 20 anni. And that's it. That's it for the lesson of today. See you soon. If you find it useful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for new videos. Ciao!